How to remove SIM card on your Nokia 110 4G. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can remove the SIM card from your Nokia 110 4G. So to remove the SIM card from your Nokia 110 4G, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Then you have to select the power off or turn off to shut down the phone completely. Then you have to locate the back cover. So the Nokia 110 4G has a removable back cover, and you have to press on the edge of the back cover near the bottom and gently take it off. So it might be easier to use your fingernail or a small tool to get started. So once the back cover is removed, you will see the battery and you have to gently lift the battery out of its compartment by using the small tab or edge. Then the SIM card slot is typically located beneath the battery, so it is usually labeled or marked with a small icon indicating its purpose. So if your SIM card is held in the place by a small clip or holder, you have to gently slide it out. Then you have to handle the SIM card carefully to avoid the damage. Then you have to place the battery back into its compartment and you have to ensure that it's seated correctly. Align the back cover with the phone and press it down until the snap. Press it down. So there you have to press and hold the power button until the Nokia logo appears to turn the phone back. So you have to handle both the SIM card and the phone components carefully to avoid any damage. So with the help of this following step, you should be able to remove and replace the SIM card in your Nokia 110 4G easily. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.